So in this video, I'm going to talk about the accordion system in HTML website. So there have three sections, and if I click here, you can see a description and image pop up. And if I click again, it disappears. So this is how it works. So I have three sections and three images here. So for this, I have codes in GitHub. You can get the code from here. So at first, I'm going my file and create a new file. And then I'm going to open my Visual Studio. And in the Visual Studio, I'm going to select this website, I mean this folder. So this is my folder, and then I have to create a HTML new file, and named it index.html. So this is my HTML website. So I need HTML code, and if I go to my GitHub, you can see this is my HTML code, and just copy it and then paste it here. So this is my HTML code, and then I need a CSS code. So for this, again, new file, and named it styles.css. So this is my CSS file, and then again go to GitHub, and you can see this is my CSS code, and then copy it and paste it here. So this is my CSS, and another file for Java. So named it script.js for Java code. So this is my Java, and then go to the GitHub, and then copy the Java code and paste it here. So this is my codes and CSS. After that, if I go to my live server, I can see this is the sections, and if I click here, I can see the images and then description. If I want to customize them, I have to go to my code, and you can see for customizing you have to change the code from here. And if I want to add a image, so I want to add some image here. For this, at first I'm taking some images. This is my image, I just downloaded them, and copy and paste them here. So this is my images, and if I go to my code and change the images link, so images, and I am going to give the third one, and if I save it, you can see my images are working. So this is how you can change the images and your description. And for button, I added here a Call of Duty link in my button. If I click here, you can see a website is opened. So if you want to change the link of the button, or if you want to add button link, so you can see here I have a button, class Accordion button, and if I want to add link, I have to write Onclick location dot rep, and then give equal and a colon. So this is the link, and if I want to add any website, I can add here. Uh, if I want to add YouTube, so copy the code and then go here and paste it here. So this is the code. Remember that this is the code, and you have to paste it here in this portions. So if I click save and go to the website, here my website, if I go to my second section and then go to click my button, I can see my YouTube open.